Hi, this is a recording to talk about week or module 3 assignments. So the assignment that you're going to have for this week is the interprofessional interview. So as far as what this is, let me pull it up here. All right. This is the instruction sheet as well as the sheet that you need to type your information on. So it is where you need to interview a person, a medical person that is not a nurse, and complete this form. So when you go ahead and you're just going to click on it to type their name, their title or role, the department they're in, and the date of the interview. And then you're going to look through all of these questions, and these are going to be the answers that the person you interviewed gave. So you can go ahead and take notes on another sheet while you're doing the interview, but then um, please type it up here and put your answers in as far as how your interviewee responded. Okay. So you're going to be going over the role and responsibilities, interprofessional collaboration that the interviewee would do, advocacy, and challenges and improvements that they see. So when you type all of that up, then you're going to go ahead and upload it as a Word document to Brightspace. Now, this is worth 45 points. So, and this is one of the um, assignments that you need to do to be able to move out of the course. So, this is one of the required assignments. All right, then we also have to start thinking ahead to your community um, health experience. All right. So what we're going to do is let me get rid of this one. You need to start thinking about this experience that's coming up. Plus, there's things to do to get ready for it. There's a checklist here that I made up to help you stay on track in getting things completed for your community health experience. So, first of all, you can go ahead and see here that you need to create or reactivate your Castle Branch account. Now, if you click on this, it will give you more information as to how to do that. So this um, attached link will take you to a page that shows you how to create a Castle Branch account, and it gives you information where you can contact them if you need to reactivate your account. All right. So if we go back, we'll see that you also need to apply for a background check. So if you click on that, again, it's going to give you more information saying that it can take up to 60 days to get this done. So it's very important that you do this sooner versus later. So this is, again, a link to information on how you get a background check. Okay. The next thing that you need to do is um, choose a community site to complete your experience. So if you look over here, there's due dates. They'll be on your calendar to help remind you that by this due date, you should have your Castle Branch account either reactivated or created. And by October 15th, then you need to go ahead and already turn in your information for your background check. And by October 27th, you should have gone ahead and looked through this information here. There's a sheet that tells you what kind of site that would be appropriate for the community health experience. So you can look through and think about which site you would be most interested in. Then you need to confirm the site, meaning you need to be in touch with someone from that site where they can approve that you can do your experience at that site. And you need to see what preceptor would be available. Now, again, the preceptor needs to be licensed. All right. So it doesn't have to be a nurse. It can be a licensed counselor. It can be a licensed dietitian, or it could be a school nurse, could be, someone in the health department. But you need to go ahead and confirm that by looking at this checklist, and it will give you requirements for a community site. And these are requirements for an accredited program. So we need to follow these recommendations as far as what type of site we need. So please read through that. And again, with any of this, if you have questions, please let me know. I'd be happy to help you. So you need to update your health records. And when you click on this, again, it's going to tell you all the different things that you need to turn in. You need a physical that needs to be completed on the Cincinnati State form. So that is attached here. And so hopefully all your health information can be updated by December 10th. And then background check, hopefully it will be submitted to the school. So that needs to be sent to Dr. Bonnie Smith. That's the Dean of the Health Division. And that information, again, is in here when you click on it. And finally, these email documents need to be back to me by January 16th. That's the beginning of next semester, the spring semester. And that is when you're going to have your community health experience. So wanted to sort of spread it out so it's not so overwhelming. So this list will also be in the informatics class available so that you're able to keep on schedule in getting all of these items taken care of so you're all set for next semester. So again, please let me know if you have any questions, and I am happy to talk through maybe some sites that would be nice or something that you're interested in, and let you know if that would be okay for the community course. All right. So that is all for this week. So hope you have a good week. Bye-bye.